Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to link items between boards in Monday.com. Linking items is a great way to keep related work in sync across different boards so you can avoid duplication and see key details in one place. You'll set up a connection between boards and add a mirror column so important information from one board appears on the other. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and why. Start on your Monday.com homepage and open the board where you want the connection to live. Think of this as your primary board for the workflow. Once you're in, look along the top of your columns for the small plus icon. This button adds a new column, and that's how we'll introduce the connection. Click the plus icon to open the column types menu, then choose Connect Boards. This column type is built specifically to link items across boards. A setup panel will appear. Click Select Boards to choose the board you want to connect to. This could be a resources board, a backlog, a client list, anything that contains items you'll want to link to your current board. Pick the target board from the list. If you have a lot of boards, use the search to find it quickly and make sure you have access permissions to that board. Next, turn on the option to set this as a two-way connection. With a two-way link, connections show on both boards and team members can work from either side without losing context. It's the best way to keep relationships consistent and avoid one-sided links that are easy to miss. Click Connect Boards to confirm. The column is created and you'll immediately see an option to create a mirror column. Go ahead and click that. A mirror column lets you display information from the connected items, like status, timeline, people, or numbers, directly on your current board. Choose the field that matters most to your workflow so your team gets useful, read-only visibility without switching boards. That's it for the setup. From here, you're ready to use the new Connect Boards column to link items as you work. Keep in mind, mirror columns pull data from the source, so updates should be made on the original board to stay accurate. If your process requires strict one-to-one links, consider limiting connections to a single item in the column settings later. And if you manage access carefully, two-way connections will respect existing board permissions. You now know how to link items between boards, enable a two-way relationship, and mirror key details, all in a few clicks.